How Geldingadalir Lake flooded Natthagi Rift Valley. It is all started when we had a new episode of the eruption in the Fagradalsfjall area. The volcano itself was dormant for more than a week. And then we had this fissure eruption creating a lake of lava all across the Geldingadalir Valley. And this was the situation up to yesterday, when the wave after wave of lava was flowing toward the south. Practically, Geldingadalir Valley became a Geldingadalir plateau. And this is the lake that was created, smoothened up everything on its way. And yesterday, a new development happened. The lake overspilled downward toward the Natthagi Valley. This was the first time from a new path it actually created for itself, shortest route. And from another view, we can see that how it happened. The majority of it was coming from the old route actually. But new route also being opened, and this changed everything now. The wall that we had in the Natthagi Valley, and I will show you at the end of here, it doesn't seem, if this phase of eruption continue, to be able to stand. The lava is flowing down toward the Natthagi Valley, and as the eruption continues, it will add more lava. They will travel faster and further because the area is already flattened almost, more or less, by the previous floods of lava. And in the night you can see that the lake is glowing in the dark. Geldingadalir Lake, which is now a plateau actually, is shining, glowing in the dark. This is not the position of the crater, old crater Nar. This is the new lake. And the plateau is shining. I've marked the spots that actually may flood and overspill. And the situation now, from the viewpoint of the toward the northeast, is that we are around less than 2 kilometers away from the sea, from the ocean. The wall may not stand. Of course, there is a little bit curvature on the road, so it may be more than 2 kilometers, around 3 kilometers to the sea if it curves.